In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a photo a heart shape here in Canva. So I have this photo just here, and let's go ahead and make it a heart shape. Now the only way to do this is by utilizing Canva's frames. So if we come over to Element, then in the search bar we can type heart frame, just like that. If we click enter, it's going to put it up just here. Now let's go ahead and click on see all, because if we look, there's actually more than one style heart frame that we can use. Now for this example, let's go ahead and use this one. Now what we can do is just click onto the frame and it's going to put it on the canvas. Now this one's actually a double, as we can see just here, so we can have two different photos within this heart frame. Let's get rid of that one, because what else we can do is just simply drag it onto the canvas just like this. Then to put the image into the heart, all we have to do is simply click onto the image, drag it into the heart, and there we go. Now if the image doesn't quite look right, what we can do is simply double click onto that image and then we can crop this to however we want. Now let's say we want this a little bit bigger, just like that, then we can adjust it, then we can click done. Now we can also add a frame to this. So if we click onto the heart, come to the three lines just here, we can then choose between a solid border or a few different dashed borders. Now for this example, let's go with the solid. We can increase the border weight as well, and then we can go ahead and change the color just like that. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to make a photo a heart shape here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.